Well, I went to test this, and I've had it. I've gotten the pattern selector knob to turn again. Remember, it didn't want to turn earlier, but now the reverse button here, like when I've got it flipped to 4 here, this should be all the way out. I should be able to push it to get reversing, because this is the reverse button, and there's no reversing. This button doesn't want to be loose to push. So, yeah. And then the machine is sewing backwards now. So that button, somehow when I had this apart, I got that to slip the wrong way around or something. So we're gonna have to take the back off again. So we'll pop out our Colormatic cam, and since I have the brand screwdriver that I got brand new out of the accessory bag, I will use the official screwdriver, and then pop these 2 screws off. And carefully slide this panel back so it pops off. The glue is still holding on there, so that's good. And now we've got, oh yeah, this is the reverse here, and it's stuck, and I don't know what. Okay, so that's width 0, so it shouldn't have a, or length 0, so. And that's length 4. Right, yeah, that was length 4, and there's length 0. 0 shouldn't have any push button. Oh, and now that's working. I still don't think it's moving properly, but yeah, that's just going up and down. And there's length 4. Alright. Let me there, we'll prop this up like that. And let me move the camera and try to look in there with it. So, a better view, we're looking up under here. There's a collar here, and then this first fork. These two forks here are the vertical and horizontal movement of the presser or the feed dogs. And got this propped up, so let's see now. Up, down. Alright, did I? Okay. So this is maximum motion. And when I push the button, there's a lever here and a spring, and it allows this part to move, and that's what flips the, there's a slider right there. That slide block is the forward-backward movement. So, alright. Now the question is, why is, I feel like that's supposed to be sprung somewhere. It shouldn't wiggle like that, but maybe I need to check my service manual again, because I'm seeing laying on its back like this, even though it's set to maximum feed dog, it's not moving the feed dogs forward and backward. So, alright, let's move around again and see what we can figure out. So, this is going to be hard to show, but figured out why I was not getting forward and backward motion. This is the back of the Stitch width dial, and this piece that I'm pointing to with the screwdriver is a cam, and it lifts and drops this arm with a spring on it, and that spring is what that spring, this cam was turned so that spring was under higher tension, and it was pulling the reverse knob in so that it was in full reverse all the time. And I believe that what that's supposed to be tied to the stitch width knob, which it's not connected right now, and I think there's a little plastic tab that might be broken, but I'm going to look up, because I've got the manual, service manual. I'm going to look up that little plastic tab and figure that out. Right now, I think the machine is going to do straight stitch and zigzag, and that's the most important part. We'll see if we can get the pattern cams working otherwise, but I fixed the feed issue because I discovered that cam was in the wrong spot.